look, Henry Cejudo, you watch him in the video. He moved up. He fought for the second belt. Conor, he fought for the second belt. George St. Pierre, he fought for the second belt. I can mention you so many names that fought for that second belt. Why not me? That had that opportunity to fight for the next weight class world championship for the belt.
Guys, 2 pertarungan akbar baru saja diumumkan. Setelah berbagai spekulasi, UFC akhirnya mengumumkan kepastian soal 2 jagoan topnya, Islam Makhachev dan Khamzat Chimaev. Makhachev dipastikan akan melepas sabuk juara kelas ringan yang sedang dipegangnya. Makhachev akan naik ke kelas welter untuk memburu ambisinya menjadi raja 2 divisi. Jagoan asal Dagestan ini akan langsung dipertemukan dengan juara kelas welter yang baru, Jack Della Maddalena. Namun pertarungan mereka belum diresmikan karena Della Maddalena baru saja tampil di UFC 315 pada akhir pekan lalu.
Finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. So, let me start with this. Current lightweight champion Islam Makhachev is going to move up to the welterweight division to face Jack Della Maddalena. What do we all love about Islam? If he had moved up to fight Bilal, he was a 5-1 favorite. Moving up to fight Jack, the odds makers have this fight at even. This guy is a beast. Islam is the fucking best. Jack, obviously, coming off damage in that fight, so he's accepted the fight. I'll let you guys know when I pick a time and date, but this fight is definitely happening.
Sempat ada dugaan bahwa Makhachev akan tetap menjadi raja kelas ringan, sementara dia mulai merambah ke kelas welter. Namun kini UFC telah memastikan bahwa sabuk kelas ringan tak bertuan. Untuk memperebutkan titel tersebut, Charles Oliveira akan diadu dengan Ilia Topuria.
UFC 317 International Fight Week, June 28th from the T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas. You all know Ilia Topuria, undefeated, 16-0. Vacated his featherweight title. He knocked out Volk, Holloway, and now he's moving up to lightweight, and he will face former lightweight champion and number 2 ranked Charles Oliveira for the vacant lightweight title.
Sementara itu, Khamzat Chimaev mendapatkan lompatan besar dalam karirnya. Penantang ranking ketiga di kelas menengah itu akhirnya mendapatkan laga perebutan gelar. Jagoan berjulukan Serigala itu akan menantang raja divisinya, Dricus du Plessis.
UFC 319. We're returning to the United Center in Chicago, Illinois, August 16th for the first time in 6 years. In the main event, the middleweight champion, Dricus du Plessis, will defend his belt against Khamzat Chimaev. Dricus' last 4 wins have come over former champs Sean Strickland, Israel Adesanya, and Robert Whittaker. He hasn't lost in 7 years. 20 of his 23 wins have come by finish, and now he faces the undefeated 16-0 Khamzat Chimaev. This is a badass fight, and the fight you've all been waiting for. UFC 319 is back at the United Center in Chicago on August 16th, and stay tuned for more information about tickets and other fights that are on the card.
Di sisi lain, ada respon panas diberikan oleh Ilia Topuria usai Islam Makhachev memutuskan menanggalkan sabuk juara kelas ringan UFC. Makhachev tak mau berlama-lama untuk segera berpacu di kelas welter. Akan tetapi, harapan Topuria sirna setelah Makhachev lebih memilih naik kelas. Divisi yang bisa disebut paling elit di UFC itu seakan mau dibuat menjadi mudah oleh Ilia Topuria. Bagaimana tidak? Topuria begitu sudah sangat percaya diri menjadi juara kelas ringan yang selanjutnya. Topuria bahkan sudah meminta maaf duluan kepada Oliveira karena percaya dirinya bisa memenangkan duel yang akan digelar pada UFC 317 28 Juni mendatang. Dan tak luput, Topuria menyayangkan sekaligus mengejek Makhachev yang kabur dari pertandingan gelar kelas ringan.
There's no way that I have to fight to the number 1 contender. I have to fight directly for the belt. I have 2 names in my mind right now, and we focus all trainings in 2 names. It's Charles and Islam.
In case if he says you're fighting Charles.
Yeah, in case that he says that I gotta fight Charles, I'm ready for that. because I'm doing a lot of like we watching his fights, seeing his weaknesses, where he's doing like I don't know where he's dangerous, all that. We study him. The same thing with Islam. He's southpaw. He moves a little bit different. He tends to go for the takedowns. So we are preparing. I'm so excited. That's why me, if someone asked me, like, I would love to fight with Islam. That will be a great one, because I really know that I have the ability to shock the world. Because I know that for me it's gonna be like, I know that I'm gonna beat him, but for the world it's gonna be like just what happened. The same thing that happened with Walt. The same thing that happened with Max Holloway. No one never knocked him out. No one did it. And it was like a surprise for everyone. But me personally, I always knew it.
You always
before I walk in the octagon, I was like, thanks God to give me the opportunity to be the first one to knock him out.
Kubu Makhachev tidak tinggal diam, yakni Ali Abdelaziz mengungkapkan mengapa Makhachev meninggalkan kelas ringan.
And the big one we have to start with is the UFC 317 main event. Obviously, he announces Ilia Topuria fighting Charles Oliveira for the vacant belt, which means Islam Makhachev has vacated his lightweight title. Can you tell us why?
Listen, obviously, if Belal were to win, Islam was never going to fight Belal, and he's going to stay in the division. But now, Jack win after unbelievable fight Belal put on, and I think Belal gained so much fun from this fight, and he'll be back. There's no doubt in my mind. But Islam have beaten everyone in this division. Literally, Dan Hooker, Armand, Charles Oliveira. He's on a 15-fight winning streak. Finished 10 of his last 9 opponents. There's nothing else anybody deserved to go fight for a second title of Islam. And the reason was he wasn't going to do it because Belal was the champion, right? And, and the UFC was like, even I was talking to Dana, and he's like, if anybody deserves, Islam can do whatever he wants. And if Islam go up, he's the champion. You have these two guys, Charles Oliveira and Ilia, fighting, and they can fight for the title. But everybody knows who's still the champion of this division, because he never lost the title, right? Now Islam get to fight end of the year, fight Jack Mandalina, who's a really good fighter. Give credit where all credit due. And I just think Belal, absolute warrior. He just have a little off night, and I believe he can still beat Jack. It was very close fight, but right now Islam he's gonna go fight for a second title, well deserved. Nobody in the UFC right now in any division doing what Islam Makhachev do, finishing guys on this level, putting an unbelievable fight, knocking people out with head kicks, just smashing people. And I'm gonna tell you something, he's gonna be a problem for a lot of these guys. And I believe at welterweight, you're gonna get bigger, not depleted, stronger Islam Makhachev. And I believe he's gonna be a problem for the whole division, honestly,
So guys, gimana pendapat kalian semuanya? Tinggalkan komentar di bawah, like video ini, and see you next time.